Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here, free online tradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host to the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Let's take a look at a trade that we had this morning on AERI. AERI was just on fire. It was up over 45% at opening. And here it is. It moved around a lot, and then it was going up and getting a narrow in what we call a rising wedge. If you want to know more about a rising wedge, just go to our site, free online tradingeducation.com, and go to our chart school. Just hit chart school there, and here are the different chart patterns. And we're going to be looking for a bearish pattern called a rising wedge right here. We touch that and we go to it. Here is a written description of it, and then here's a picture of it where it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter as it runs up. This is a bearish formation, and if it breaks down this lower trend line, things could be nice and tasty for a short. And so not only on this page do we have those two things, we have some actually live pictures down here of previous trades and how they turned out. Again, the odds are in our favor. So let's take a look at our position right now. Here it is getting ready to break out, and we have the 20 moving average here right underneath. So I'm going to head and set my trade just below that 20 moving average, and let's see what happens next. And bam, it falls right to the 20. It stalled at the 20, and then bam, now I'm in. I'm in short AERI at $20.55. Putting a stop right up here at just above the this support resistance line here from that formation. And let's see what happens. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, it went down. But look at this big, huge candle here. And now it's riding on the 50 moving average. So I'm bringing my stop down here to 2070 area. Not quite in the money, but as it sits there, oh, is it going to break it down? And it just stalled here at the 50 moving average for a while. So I went ahead and I took out half at $20.35 for 1.1% on the first half. So I'm bringing my stop down here to break even on the second half. Let's see what happened after that. It just kind of stalled there. It's starting to break down now. Isn't this nice, nice, nice? So I'm going to bring my stop down following this 20 moving average here. And guess what? I pulled it down a little bit more, and it popped up and stopped me out on the second half at $20.43 for 0.5% on the second half. So let's look at this trade. We had a rising wedge, which is a bearish formation. It broke down and we got short. And then it stalled here at the 50 moving average, and I took out half as it dipped below it, then came right back up to it again. So I got out the second half. So this total trade was for 0.8% in 14 minutes. Hooah. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Hey, just remember that we always trade with a stop to protect our ass. Trade well.